It's perhaps the most exciting, profitable, and sustainable mine in our generation. The Black Water Project is in the middle of the well-mineralized gold super province, which hosts orogenic gold deposits in the Upper West region of Ghana. And so, all is said now. Ladies and gentlemen, behold, the assets of Azuma Resources Limited, the Black Water Project, is hereby acquired. Put your hands together as we celebrate a beautiful Ghanaian story, sustainable mining, one that benefits Ghana tremendously. Please, the celebration once more. And so happily, I invite you, the official party, to the base of the stairs of the stage, as I invite to join you, our ministers and all our dignitaries on the front row. Mr. Chair, please join me here.
Guys, thanks very much for keeping this thing together.
From the Minerals Commission,
but you made it happen.
the Ghana Chamber of Mines,
Thank you very much.
Your Royal Highness Bishigulana, please join us.
Thanks, so. Now I can supply you gold. It will be. Azuma, this project is for you. Thank you very much.
It's not complete without the inspiration, the legend himself.
No, thanks for keeping the door. Madam Regulator, thank you very much. My problem child.
And so happily I invite you to the front. Mr. Sami MP, please join us. Regional Minister. Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, there will be a lot more hugs at the end. Respectfully, I invite you to join us as we do the official symbolic photo marking this acquisition. Please release the CEO of Engineers and Planners Song.
Thanks for bringing me back to Ghana. Come.